Hey BBs, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany, welcome. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're gonna be doing a haul. I have some stuff I bought myself and also some PR to share with you guys, and also a very big announcement. So if you guys wanna see what that is, then go ahead and keep watching. Alrighty guys, so let's first start off with the big news. So you guys know I've been really insecure about my smile lately. I talk about it all the time. And so I'm excited to announce that I'm gonna be partnering with the makers of Invisalign. They are sponsoring this video. With that being said, they did send over a PR package. And yeah, I'm just excited to start my Invisalign treatment and to update you guys on that. But let's go ahead and see what they sent over. So the first thing we have here is a little thank you card from them. It says, Brittany, we're so thrilled to have you join our Invisalign Smile Squad and can't wait to see your smile journey begin. Thank you in advance for all the amazing partnerships. Here's a little something we hope to make you smile, Invisalign. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is so freaking cute. So we have this Invisalign Smile Squad backpack right here. And inside we have some goodies. Oh my gosh. The first thing I see here, oh my god, I'm gonna wear this for the whole video. So we have a little merch hat right here that says Invisalign, and it's black and white, which is perfect for my pink hair. I love it so much. This is perfect because I just dyed my hair and my scalp is kind of stained pink, so yes, and it matches my shirt. Also, we have this right here. It's a little selfie light for your iPhone. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at this. I cannot wait to try this. I've always wanted one of these. Next up, we have this water bottle. Look at this. It's a beautiful blue color. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's huge. Next up, we have this little round lip balm. And last but not least, we have this little baggie right here. Oh my gosh, I think this is my case. Yes, this is my case. So this is the case I picked out for my aligners. Look how cute. It's a donut and it's pink. Two of my favorite things. Oh, I just love it. They have so many to choose from too, the cases, and they did let me choose mine. And of course, I went with the donut, and then it's blue and black inside because those are their colors. And so yeah, guys, that was everything that they sent over. I cannot wait to start my journey with them because you guys know I be putting emojis all over my face so nobody sees my crooked teeth. I also am super insecure. Like when I smile, I have to like have my tongue out like this, so my bottom row of my teeth don't show. But I cannot wait to keep you guys updated with this journey, and I'm so excited. So moving on to the beauty products, I did pick up some stuff from Ulta that I bought myself, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the PR. So I picked up this curling iron right here from Bedhead. It was actually pretty affordable, and as you guys could see, it's super duper tiny. And I wanted to get a perm, and I actually put it on my Instagram stories, and I asked you guys if I should get a perm or if I should just leave my hair straight. And a lot of you guys actually said yes, but a lot of you also said no. I think yes did win, but I got so many comments scaring me saying that I'm gonna fry my hair off and stuff, so I just decided not to do it and to buy this because this supposedly gives you the look of like a perm because it has those really tight curls. So I cannot wait to try it. Let me know if you guys have tried this before, but I'll show you guys probably like in an Instagram story how it ended up looking on my hair, which I am pretty lazy to curl my hair, so I know this one's gonna take forever, but hopefully it's worth it. The next thing I got was actually 50% off for 21 Days of Beauty. This is the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser, and this is the giant black charcoal one, I believe is what it's called. But you guys know I love this. I actually showed this not too long ago in another haul, and mine that I have now doesn't even have a dent in it yet. That's how like ginormous it is, but it was 50% off, so I could not pass it up because I know I'm gonna go through it. And so it was just one of those things I had to have a backup of because it was on sale. And speaking of backups, I also got a backup beauty blender as well. This is my favorite one. It's the Pro, and I just feel like it works better. I don't know, so I thought I would get a backup of this too. And last but not least, I picked up the Barbie collection from here. Oh my gosh, guys, I had to get this because it's pink and it's Barbie. It's so freaking cute. Look at this. They had so much stuff in this collection. I wanted to get everything, but I was like, no, let me not. Let me just get two things. So let me show you the highlighter. It's called Never Lose Your Sparkle. Look at this packaging. It's so adorable. And wait until you see the highlighter. Ooh, little plastic thing flew out, but look at this. It has Barbie's head in it and her little ponytail. So it's like a 2-dimension highlight. So it has like a pinky tone right there and the little triangle. And then also the rest is really gold. It does look a lot more yellowy than I thought it was gonna be. I did order this online and I threw it in this bag. But I cannot wait to try it. I'm probably gonna try it in my next trying new makeup video. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry to have 2 hauls back to back, but I really wanted to do a trying new makeup with a full face, and I didn't have enough stuff for my last haul, so that's why I'm doing another haul, so I could film that video. But yeah, I picked that up. And then I also got one of the lipsticks. I think there was 3 colors, and of course I got the nude. So this is called Trailblazer, and I just cannot with this packaging. Wait until you guys see it. So it's all sparkly, and then it has that like fancy button that you click. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, like that. That was a little ASMR moment. And then it says Pure X Barbie. The details on this stuff is just crazy. Like it says Pure and Barbie, and then it has her little head on it, and this is a beautiful mauve kind of dark nude, which is perfect for fall. So I definitely had to get this. I don't even want to use it because it's so cute, but I definitely am. I'm not one of those people that could just save it and look at it. Like I have to use it. It even has her little head right there on the cap. Everything about this is just so beautiful. Let's go ahead and move on to the PR. So Pure actually did send me a PR package for the first time, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I obviously support them as a brand because I bought that Barbie stuff. But this is actually another new collection by them. It's called the Defense collection, and they sent over this palette right here. Look how cool this looks. So let me show you the inside. So this is the actual packaging. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but it does kind of switch, which is really, really cool. And then it's a beautiful kind of neutral palette. And I actually haven't tried their eyeshadows except for the Pure X Raw Beauty Kristi palette. So I cannot wait to try kind of their other formulas. I don't know if it's the same as the Raw Beauty Kristi one, but it looks beautiful. So I cannot wait to try this. And then last but not least, they did send over their new liner as well. This is called the On Point Waterproof Liquid Pen Liner, and it's bold black matte, which you guys know I love pens for my liquid eyeliner. I cannot do a brush because I'm just not that skilled. But this is what the liner looks like right here. It looks like it's gonna be a good one for a wing, so we shall see. And so I will probably try both of these products in the trying new makeup video. Moving on, we got a package from Legacy Cosmetics. So they actually sent over some makeup. I've tried their lashes, but not their cosmetics, so I'm really excited about this. So first up, we have a... Oh, my cat keeps getting in everything. This is Ozzy. Look how big he's getting. But anyways, the first thing they sent over was a liquid lipstick. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's a really beautiful nude color. Let's swatch it. That is pretty. It reminds me a lot of the Candy K by Kylie. Maybe a little bit darker. So we got that, and the packaging looks very similar to Kylie Cosmetics as well. And then we also got a gloss right here. I think it's clear. It's called Glaze. Oh, it's like a silvery color. Let's swatch. Oh, it does come off more clear, and it has like a little bit of glitter in it. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm sorry if you guys could hear noise. My cat keeps playing with everything. And the last thing they sent over was their Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice palette. Love the packaging because you guys know pink's my favorite color. How do I open this? This is a really beautiful palette. It has some neutrals in there, but also some fun like berry shades. Look at that. So I cannot wait to try that out. Next up, we have Blinged Brushes, and look how cute. You guys know I love this brand. I rave about the brushes all the time. You could actually use my code BritanyRaquell to save 10%. So they have a baby pink one with the like rainbow rhinestones. I think all of them have the same rhinestones. Yeah. And then the nude one, which is my favorite, like look how adorable. And then also a white one, which this one reminds me of Selena. I don't know why, like I just feel like me wearing this, I could be like, bitty bitty mom. And so yeah, thank you so much to Blinged Brushes for sending this over. Next up, what package is this? Oh, it's Morphe. Okay, so I actually got 2 packages from Morphe because I've been a little behind. I think one of them got lost in shipment. But let's see which one this one is. Okay, yeah, so this one is the palette. So this is the 35C Everyday Chic palette, which, oh my gosh, guys, this looks so pretty, and I'm excited to add it to my collection because it's more on the cool tone side, which I don't have a lot of shadows that are cool toned. This is her right here. Look how beautiful. I just love how, like, calm down they are. I don't know. It's just a vibe, you know? They all go together, which is really nice to look at. So I cannot wait to try this out. And then to go along with that, they actually sent some other stuff over as well. They sent 2 pairs of eyelashes, which I've actually never tried their eyelashes before. So I cannot wait to give these a go. So this one is called Slay Age. And then we also have Glambassador, which these look very dramatic, which I love. And then last but not least, I sent over 2 little eyeshadow brushes to go along with them. These ones are perfect for the lower lash line because they have that nice straight edge. And then a little blending brush, which is always good for the transition. And I do have a code with them as well to save $5 off any $10 purchase or more. So it's GlamFam922. And one of you guys said that you always use my code on Morphe, which I would just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. It truly means a lot. So I might as well show you the other package I got from Morphe. So this is the one I think that got lost because I am the very last one to get this collection, but I'm still really excited to have it in my possession. So it's the Morphe 2 collection. A lot of you have been telling me to try the skin tint, which I actually did get in this package. So this will definitely be in the trying new makeup coming up next. I got the color Hint of Pecan, and I'm just so freaking excited for this. I've been wanting to try it forever, and the reason I didn't buy it is because I knew I was getting it in PR. It was just taking a little bit. But this is what it looks like. Hopefully this color is good for me. I did get tan when I went to South Padre Island, so I don't know, it looks a little light, but we could always add some bronzer. And I thought they were only gonna send this, but they actually sent some other stuff to go along with that from the same collection. So we got the Glassified Lip Oil. So this is in the shade Fairy Tale, and it's just like a light purpley color. It probably just shows up clear on the lips, but I cannot wait to try that out. It looks really hydrating because how oily it looks. We also got this jelly eye shimmer in the color Bright Idea. Now I haven't heard the best things about these, but I can't wait to try them for myself. This looks like a beautiful rose gold shade. Look at that. Let me try to swatch it. It's hard with these long nails. Oh, it seems very, very sheer. Like it's just a little bit of glitter that shows up. This is the one thing I was super duper excited about besides the foundation. So this is the Wonder Tint Cheek Lip Mousse, and I got the color Wish, which looks like a beautiful peach. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Ooh, this feels really moussey. Like a lot comes out. Okay. And it kind of blends to nothing. Charli D'Amelio and them do wear very natural makeup though, so it kind of makes sense. I'll probably save this stuff for like a new makeup day or something. And then we got the Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss, which I've been seeing a lot of people use this one on Instagram, which it's literally just a clear gloss. I'm sorry if my eyes are being covered by this hat. It's a little big on me. I need to tighten it. And so that was everything that I got from Morphe. So moving on, I got a package from Belif, which I am really excited about because I love their skincare from what I've tried. I love their eye cream and also their Aqua Bomb. So they sent over their newest product, which is their Aqua Bomb Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, which you guys know I love me some cleansing balms, so I cannot wait to try this. It's a 3.3 fluid ounce. And let's see what she looks like. So you have a little spoon in here, and this is the actual balm right here. Let's see. So this is what the balm looks like right here. It's a very light blue shade and it's super duper solid. I cannot wait to try this. I'll probably try it tonight, honestly. So they sent that over, and also their one and only Aqua Bomb, which like I said before, I do love this. It's a really nice day moisturizer because it's that gel formula, which is really good under makeup and also just good to hydrate. And so that's what this one looks like if you haven't seen it. And this is what it looks like. It's just a gel formula. Then they sent over this little makeup remover pad to take off the balm with. Look how cute. And then last but not least, we got a little headband, which you guys know I'm always wearing a headband whenever I do my makeup or my skincare. So I cannot wait to try this one out. It will probably turn pink because of my hair, but it's still really, really cute. Alrighty, and last but not least, we got a package from Laura Mercier, which I actually just got this at the door, so I haven't even opened it yet. And so let's see what they sent over. Oh my gosh, if I can get the box. Oh my gosh, you guys. You're not gonna believe what they sent. Okay, so we have the little pamphlet that they sent over, and then also a little card for moi. But I could just not skip over this. Like, look how big this is. It's a giant freaking powder puff. I love this so much and I'm gonna keep it forever. It's actually a powder puff, like it feels like a powder puff. Look at the difference. So I have mine right here because I do use it very often, and look. It's so cute. I can't believe this. I don't want to get it dirty, but I have to take it out. Look. Let me just pat on my face. Oh my god, I love this so much. I love getting little PR things like this that like are kind of like special because nobody else could like get it, you know? But I am so thankful. Thank you so much, Laura Mercier. We haven't even checked out the products yet, so let's see what they sent over. Oh, so they sent a original one as well. We also got this brush right here. It's called the Glow Powder Brush, and also the Glow Translucent Powder, which I actually already have this and I don't use it very often. I do like it, I just don't use it that much. I use it on occasion. Like I like to use it whenever I don't have a lot of texture because it's very soft on the skin. It's super beautiful on the body as well. So I'll probably save this for a giveaway just because I have mine and haven't even made a dent in it. And then also they sent over the original translucent powder, which I will keep this one because I go through powder like crazy. And this is one I use like almost every day. But let me show you what the brush looks like. So this is what she looks like right here. And she just curves into the skin really, really nicely. And so I do love this brush. I feel like Laura Mercier always has the best PR packages so far that I've gotten, and I'm just really thankful. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be everything for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so I can know to keep doing these videos, because I actually already have some other stuff for another haul. So I wanna know if you guys are still loving these videos. And thanks again to the makers of Invisalign for sponsoring this video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I post every week for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye! Today we're doing a makeup look inspired by my nails. We went the other day and I was just like comparing everything to my nails. I got like these opal little papers to match this ring nail right here. I'm just gonna pop it right on top of that. Whoop. Okay, fail. Where's my makeup wipe?